Stockwell is a secure, unattended smart store that is game-changing for food and beverage operators. With just walk-away technology, Stockwell helps businesses capitalize on previously underutilized locations to find success. Want to get the most out of a Stockwell setup? Here are 4 tips and tricks that will help you maximize your profits. Tip number 1. Capitalize on untapped locations. Since Stockwell is a secure, locked solution, you can safely offer products to areas with highly transient consumers. Stockwell is perfect for semi-public areas with high traffic or captive audiences. Think of places like car dealerships, hospitals, airports, college campuses, or hotels. Of course, Stockwell can also provide added value to your current locations, such as extending a micro-market's footprint. Tip number 2, stock high margin items. The beauty of Stockwell is that it's locked and secured like a vending machine, but you aren't stuck offering products that only fit in spirals. With wide and tall shelves, plus both refrigerated and ambient sections, your only limit is your imagination. This means you can serve diverse, delicious products in locations where you previously couldn't. So think outside the box. Stock high margin, in-demand items like smoothies, fresh juices, salads, sandwiches, and meal kits. Sell travel essentials like toothpaste, makeup wipes, or mouthwash at hotels. With Stockwell, the options are endless. Tip number 3, educate your customer. Like micro markets before them, smart stores like Stockwell can have a bit of a learning curve for your customers. To help them feel comfortable using Stockwell, you need to give them the confidence to use it correctly. Provide signage to display next to the Stockwell detailing the checkout process. Send an email to your location with how-to videos, or hold a grand opening where you can teach consumers about Stockwell in person. And don't worry, we have all of this material on hand and ready to provide to you. From videos to PDFs and printouts, we have all the material you need to help your customers use Stockwell with confidence. Tip number 4, learn from a pro. Lean on 365's training and support team to leverage Stockwell like a pro. With on-site training and implementation services, we can train you and your staff on proper setup and configuration of Stockwell. Whether you want to train on-site, in your warehouse, or remotely, our team is ready to help you master the ins and outs of Stockwell. Outside of hardware setup, we can train you on best practices like product merchandising, servicing, route planning, and more. Stockwell has the potential to open your business to new possibilities. With these 4 tips and tricks, you can add Stockwell to your product offerings, helping you to better serve your customers, capture new locations, and grow your business.